Hello there, vac fans. This is my latest curb find. I found this last night in the dark. I have no idea if it works. I just plugged it in. I have not turned it on. It is a blue Dirt Devil Purpose for Pets model 140,000. That's a pretty weird model number. And I think it's from 2007. If that's true, I don't want to hear anybody else complaining about how cheap plastic vacuums only last 3 minutes, 3 days, 3 weeks, or 3 months. We got smoke. We've got smoke. But you know what? I don't think it's motor smoke. I think it's belt burning smoke. Yep. That looks more or less okay. Yeah, I can smell it. Ugh. Well, that looks kind of normal for a curb find. Ooh, yummy. Great stuff. It protected the filter material underneath, pretty much so. That'll come off. Yeah, wash off, whatever, eventually. So this is just a push. Let me get a screwdriver here, because I think we just have a belt burning. Even though it's been a couple of minutes later, I still smell the burning rubber out here, and it's cold too. Ooh. So it looks like I see 3 screws. I wonder if the bearings in the brush roll have seized or locked up, or something else has kept it from spinning, and it doesn't want to move very well. I think that's it. Oh yeah. So there we go. Dirt Devil style 15, and yes, it's separated. Woohoo! All right, so that's not that big of a deal. I normally replace a belt anyway. So lots of debris from a toy maybe, and this doesn't really move well at all. No, it doesn't. Hey, it's got bearings you can repack, and the bearing itself spins. And bring a whole lot of tools out here with me. Oh, here we go. Here's my tool. Get some stuff out of here. Look at that. That's caked. That literally is caked. That is caked. And I just bet you that's most of the problem. Look at that. Well, that's better. Let's see, how does that work now? Oh my, that works well. Let's see, can I do the same thing on the other side? Yep. Look at that. Just basic maintenance, people. Of course, if you leave it alone, then you end up getting your basic failure, don't you? Not exactly something that's high tech. Woo! Let's see what we got here. It's below freezing right now in Ohio. This is January of 2021. What's that? There we go. Yeah, bearing still spins. Alright, let's see what we have now. Oh my, look at that. That's not perfect, but that is not bad at all. That's fine. Okay, let's move that off to the side. There's more of this. Yippee. Let's see. Keep a hold of those screws. Those we do need. I can see. Oh, that's all nice and gooey. See how well does it turn on now. See if there's anything else I'm missing. Anything else want to come out? That sounds pretty good to me. That's not bad. I can see the motor directly. I don't know how well you can. And it's okay. Got to get rid of the burning rubber smell though, but everything looks fine. So I'm going to guess that I'm going to take this apart and we're going to give it a bath, because I think this is, I got enough to make this functional, and I just need to get a belt. So this motor is not going to separate from this base without cutting wires. There's no other easy way to do it. So got to make sure you have some wire crimps lying around, because I want to get the smell out of that plastic. And the motor smells a bit too, so I'm going to have to let that air out outside a bit. Well, here is the Dirt Devil Purpose for Pets, model number 140,000, drying on my basement floor. So after everything is thoroughly dried out, you'll see a video of me putting it back together, and then we'll run some tests. So it looks like it has survived. It's going to need a belt. It's going to need the brush roll bearings relubricated But other than that, I think we're all right. Stay tuned.